The Feldenkrais method is a movement-based method that helps to alleviate muscular pain and tension. We don't just look at, what's immediately presenting in terms of pain restriction, but we're actually more interested in what's causing it. What is each person's habits in their movements that leads to their discomfort? How can we work with them to help them understand the way their body works so we can then work towards the outcomes that they want to achieve? In Feldenkrais, we use a really soft touch, but that doesn't mean that the effects are weak. In fact, they are even more powerful because we are trained to detect even the slightest little bits of resistance or hesitation in someone's movement that even they may not be aware of. Feldenkrais practitioners are specifically trained to detect even the tiniest amount of resistance, so we use slow movements with an often gentle touch to really help detect where those little moments of uncertainty or instability are, to help find out what's causing a movement to be not smooth or require more effort than is actually needed to perform it. With Feldenkrais sessions, it's really about helping you perform at your best, finding out what is the best version of you and helping you achieving that. Unlike animals, where we see they're walking after a day or two and are ready for action, as human beings we have a much longer period of development, and we see that with babies. It's a whole year before they're sometimes crawling or even walking. So because we have so much room for different kinds of learning, we develop all kinds of different habits in movement, some which are more useful than others, and some which may get in the way later in life. Feldenkrais sessions helps you understand what your habits are in movement, and once you're aware of it, we have the choice to start making changes that are going to make your movements more efficient, more elegant, and allow you to have more energy to do the things that you love and enjoy. Feldenkrais sessions can be really good for people with neurological conditions because it's really all about how the brain and the body speak to each other. Whilst we can't cure a lot of these, we can certainly help to improve people's quality of life and start helping them working towards the things that they can improve on rather than focusing on the things that they can't do. Remedial massage and Feldenkrais can be a great combination for things like women undergoing pregnancy, to help relieve some of that pain and tension in a way that's really safe, but also to help them to get a little bit of movement, whether it's during their pregnancy and learning how to coordinate with the extra weight, or afterwards when there's a real sudden change in their body, helping them to be able to move in a way that now suits the change that they've undergone to make sure there aren't issues that develop later.